everyone. My name is Biraza Siddharth. Today date is 19th April 2022. Today's topic is scope and memory allocation of variables. Scope of variables in Java. In programming, scope of variable defines how a specific variable is accessible within the program or across classes. In this section, we will discuss the scope of variables in Java. In programming, a variable can be declared and defined inside a class, method, or block of defines of the scope of the variables. That is the visibility of the accessibility of the variable. In this variable declared inside a block or method are not visible to outside. If we are try to do so, we will get to compilation error. Note that the scope of the variable can be nested. We can declare the variables anywhere in the program, but is a hash limited scope. A variable can be a parameter of a method of a constructor. A variable can be defined and declared inside a body of a method and constructor. It can also be defined inside blocks and loops. A variable declared inside main method function cannot be accessed outside the main method function. Next is variable type and scope and define, in which variable is interface variable to the class of except numeric method, in which and class variables throughout the class, and local variable within the class, in which the and second is member variables, class level scope. uh, the, these are the variables that the declared inside the class but outside any function have class level scope. We can access this variable anywhere inside the class. Note that the access specifier of a number of variable does not affect the scope of the within the class. Java allows us to class member variables outside the class. Next is outside the class, in which interface variable in which of the Java allows to us access variables outside the class. And instance variable, there is another variable named in instance variable. There are declared inside a class but outside any method, constructor, or block. When instance variable is declared using the keyword static is known as static variable. This scope is class but level visible of the method in constructor block that define the class, in which local variables methods level scope. These are the variables of the declared in method constructor, in which a block have a method level or block level scope and cannot be accessed outside, in which it is defined variables